Sanibona Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we speak about anything and anything that is under the sun. A topic is limited and unlimited in this page. So today we're speaking about Musa Khawula. Guys, Musa is a better person than me because Musa is not afraid of jail. Guys, jail is not that bad at all. So Musa has been found guilty by the High Court, and the High Court yamcela ukuthi akaxolise Julius Malema and delete ama post. So Musa Khawula wrote about Julius Malema what they are divorcing with the wife, and Musa went as far as saying, please stop sending your people to send me money. I don't want your money. I'm aware that your marriage is over. And then Julius Malema started being, cozy with the wife. The wife started appearing in public, and Musa said, nah, this I'm not waking my guy. We are exactly aware of what is happening. And Musa was like, whatever game you are trying to play, please understand we are aware. And Julius started coming back here with the wife and all of that. I think there are rumors of breaking up, but for the fact that he's going through a lot to Julius, and there's so much going on again, and then he then decided to bring the wife on board. So he's been trying to actually convince us that they are together with the wife. He is also going through his trial for shooting Lapaya. And today, between today and tomorrow, he's supposed to get his sentence. At the same time, the law says almost instead of apologizing, hey Julius baby, see attached for your attention, and the Beyonce song started playing. Because obviously now this is the law that want him to apologize. It's not Julius Malema. So if he defeats the hands of the law, also go to jail. And Musa has better things to worry about. In the other case, he can't keep on worrying about incidents. Maybe that's the reason why I personally would have said sorry, because you can tap that thing or sorry, and then that's it. Looks like Musa is not interested in saying sorry. He's okay, he's fine. He just wanna I guess wait and see. And tomorrow we're waiting for the sentence of Julius Malema. He's looking at about 15 years in prison live. So I think when there's serious before he deals with Musa. But Musa, this is the song.